Make you dey use your mastermind. Hey, make you the party they go, party they go, party they go, party they go. From east to west, make we go, party they go.
What it do, gang? It's Telly in this thing. What do, everybody? It's your girl Telly, and I'm back again with another video. Oh, it's Telly Drip Gang. We the lit gang. It's Telly what? Telly who? Telly Drip Gang. And we the what? We the who? We the lit gang. 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 Alright, y'all, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleached my hair and got this really cute color. This video is sponsored by Sogoodhair. Can you see it? Can you see it? Do you love it? Can you see it? Do you love it? So this video, oh, focus, babes, focus. I really like this hair. I went through a lot with this hair. You guys will see in the video. Even now, it looks orange a little bit, but like, I don't even care. Like, this hair was struggling me. I was going through the struggles and the motions and everything. So it was just like, you know what, whatever. I kind of like the outcome. You guys, this is not how like they sent this. The hair they sent me, it did have blonde in the front, but it wasn't like this. You guys will see all of that in the video. But yeah, I would recommend this hair though. This is, even though this is a sponsored video, I want to give you guys my honest opinion. Like, this hair is so soft. It's super duper soft, and I really love that. Even the blonde part, it went through heck and back. I done bleached it, unbleached it, bleached it again, bleached it, used toner, then used another dye on it. Like, this little piece of the hair was going through a lot. I'm surprised it's still holding up. But yeah, this is some really cute hair. It's real flowy. So they sent me, I think it was 22 inches. It's definitely true to length because I cut off a good bit of this and it's still really long. Like, when I put it on, it looked like a 24 inch. So it's definitely true to length or whatever. But yeah, stay tuned for this video. Let me know what other videos you want me to do. It's Telly Drip Gang. We the lit gang. And I'm out this freaking thing. What the fuck is this? This is a veil. Look at it. They're still browns. They're still freaking like, I don't know what to do, guys. I'm hurt. I'm sad. Make sure to check out the company, and everything will be in the description box down below. If you guys like this hair, if you love it, make sure you go check it out down below. There should be a coupon code, so go and use it. This hair is super pretty though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna cap, no rap. It's just, I'm not used to this type of thing. I feel like it don't go with me, but maybe I'm just tripping.